Okay, today we will learn a new verse and it's found in Psalms 89 verse 9. Yung you kasi si Jesus Christ yon. So, Jesus, ganito tayo ng you. Tapos yung rule, letter R, and then pump. Can you see? Rule, the roaring ka. Okay na? Tapos yung C, pa-close yung yung fingers, no? C, yun lang siya. Okay, natin na, you rule the roaring sea and calm baba lang. Calm its wave. Yung wave ngayon mataas na. Tapos naka-open na yung fingers natin. Wave. Bilis lang, let's do it all together. Try natin ha. Psalms 89 verse 9. You rule the roaring sea and calm its wave. Okay. Psalm 89 verse 9. Okay.